Oh, we're in that.
Eau Claire County until 3 p.m. At 2:19 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 6 miles south of Altoona, or 7 miles southeast of Eau Claire, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Eau Claire and Altoona around 2:20 p.m. Fall Creek around 2:30 p.m. Augusta around 2:45 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Brackett, Allen, and Lake Eau Claire County Park. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure and stay away from windows. The storm is capable of producing damaging winds. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3 p.m. for the following counties in Wisconsin, Chippewa, and Eau Claire.